Hello everybody, for this week's video it's going to be a little bit different as I've injured my hand. So this week's video I'm going to be talking about myself. I am currently 16 years old and I am currently studying GCSEs. In the future I am hoping to be a forensic scientist, so I am hoping to get into college and go to university to study science. What are my other hobbies apart from woodturning? My other hobbies I like to dance and I do gymnastics. As you know, I refer to myself as Caitlan the Cat, and this is my cat I got a couple of months ago. She's called Shadow. I also have 4 other pets and I will go introduce you to them now. These are my other pets. This is Jessica, the chicken. This is Cheeky, the chicken. This is Polly, the chicken. And this is Ruby. What got me into woodturning? What got me into woodturning was seeing my brother and my grandpa go and have fun. I would really enjoy looking at the pieces that my brother would create, so I thought at 11 years old it was a good idea for me to start. So I used to go with my grandpa and my brother. My brother stopped going and I would still carry on. I like to make bowls, pens and platters, and my grandpa would just sit on the side and watch me. I encouraged him to have a go. I was so proud of him, he was proud of me. He sadly passed away a couple of years ago and I still carry on going. I really enjoy it. I have a few favourite pieces of mine and here is one of them. It's a resin spalted beach bowl. I really like the colour of it and the spalting inside. The next one is this seaside themed bowl, which is resin as well, and it's got starfish in it with shells around the outside. I really enjoyed doing this piece. A couple of weeks ago I created this piece, the firework bowl. I really like pull string method and the iridescent paints I have used. This is my GCSE art project, which is my all-time favourite piece, and it's my stake and my rainbow idea. I really enjoyed making this one. One of the full wood pieces that I have done is this hourglass holder for the hourglass. I really find it satisfying looking through the wood to see the gold balls dropping down. This piece was really difficult to make, but I really enjoyed it. As you may know, I have created plenty of a project with no name. There is 3 different varieties, one with a light up, a normal one and the rainbow one. This is one of my favourite projects to create, as I really enjoy how the rings can be twisted and turned to create different ideas. What are my biggest achievements in woodturning? My biggest achievements in woodturning is probably performing and demonstrating at the NEC Birmingham at Maker Central. I also demonstrated at Yeovil at the Yandos show. As you may know, I have involved 60 plus people / makers to create a ring for my project. This is a ring collaboration. I have given dimensions and I am making the linking rings. I really enjoyed making this and it looks fantastic. what is my favourite tool? My favourite tool is probably the carbide tools by Easy Wood Tools. I really enjoy using the detail to make details in my wood, and I also like the finisher because it gives me such a neat finish. One of my favourite chisels is the roughing gouge. I like using the roughing gouge to make my projects nice and soft and smooth. When I use it, I rub the bevel against the wood so it makes a nice smooth finish, less sanding. After practising with my skew chisel for a while, I have come to the point where I'm very good at using it on spindles. I enjoy using my skew chisel and I'll continue to do this. Where do I do my wood turning? To start off with, I used to do my wood turning outside of the playhouse, in the cold, in winter or in the hot in summer, and this lathe was gifted to me by a wonderful man who supports me through my wood turning. Then after a couple of years of turning outside, my dad got me my own power record lathe, and I now do it in my workshop where I have got a dust extractor and all my chisels and my polishers and all my paints. This is my lathe. Inside of here is where I keep all of my polishers. So I have some stains here, my polishers at the back, some more stains here and my wood waxes. In here is where I store all of my chisels. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you've got any more questions, comment them down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!